ladies and gentlemen, we are at the 8th beach of the day here in Porto region. This is Praia de Quebrada, right next to the big beach, Aguela. And it's quite scenic, this one, as it has a huge rock formation that actually takes the hit for most of the waves that comes in. And on the other side as well. I'm not alone on the beach. There are two fishermen, but they will try to catch some fish as well. But I'm the only one person that will be going into the Atlantic Ocean. Yes, it is 2nd of February today. Beautiful Friday, 2024 of course. And it is 2:30 p.m. We have 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the ocean it is 13.7 degrees Celsius. So let's then embrace for the waves. They were quite huge at previous beaches. So I really had a blast battling with the strength of the waves. I mean, I didn't expect this kind of weather in February. This is basically the coldest month in Portugal, or it should be. As March and January are usually more milder. But yes, I'm very happy that I am having this kind of weather conditions. Despite being a bit chilly in the water, I mean, for me it is warm. I used to swim in 0 degrees Celsius in Sweden when it was -5 outdoors. So this is actually quite refreshing. So I'm exploring along the coast that I started earlier this morning. Already when I arrived at the airport just before 9 a.m. I took the local bus to the first beach here on the coast, and then I'm exploring since then along the coast. Let's see how many beaches I can manage to explore before the sunset. I think there are 5 or 6 more, but let's see. Good thing here is that in Portugal, the sunset is a bit later compared to Sweden. Because they are in a different time zone. They are in the Greenwich GMT 0 time zone together with London. But yes, I'm gonna let you enjoy a bit more in the scenery as I prepare for a dip here in the ocean. Oh my god. Here they come. Here they come, the waves on to attack. They are preparing and bracing for impact. All right. Okay, this is a big one. Let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Okay, that was a big one. How did I escape that one? But I really want to dive in. Another. Let's find the perfect way in. This one. Oh no, a bigger one is coming. Alright, now it's time to go. It was nice, but dangerous. Oh, okay. Whew, I survived. When I was down in the water, my body was battling with the tide to get in or out. So it's very challenging, believe me. Also with having the GoPro in one hand. So only having one hand to maneuver. But it was so refreshing. So nice. Cool. That's a wrap from this amazing beach, Praia de Quebrada here in Portugal. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.